everyone, I'm Kendra Carrot.
And I'm Tafo Vampire Squid.
And today we'll be making biodegradable seed pots.
Ooh, sounds good. Alright, but what does biodegradable mean?
That's a great question, Vampire Squid. Biodegradable means that the material can break down relatively quickly back into the earth.
Oh, that sounds cool. Alright, should we get in?
Yeah, let's do it.
Let's hop in.
We'll start with making a seed pot out of newspaper. All you'll need is a newspaper, a jar, and scissors.
Firstly, what we want to do is fold our paper in half and create a seam. Then we're going to cut along that halfway line that we just created and open the paper out completely so we can be able to start rolling our jar in the paper from one end to the other. So firstly, what we want to do is place the jar on one end like so. Then what we're going to be doing is we're going to be rolling the jar in the paper, and once we're able to roll it, it's going to be rolled pretty snug. We don't want it too tight though, because the jar will have to come out. Once it's finished rolling, what we do is we choose the base, then we start the folding process. We fold one end like so, then we create a crease on that end. We'd make sure that our folds are over and we create a little lip. Then we fold the peak in and we just fold and we take that peak and put it under the little lip. When the fold is complete, what we do is we take the jar in the paper and we press it down so we can get a firm base. Once the base is there, we would pull the jar out. Once the jar is out of the paper, what you want to do is take the paper and fold around the top edges of the paper, creating a smooth, firm rim. Then we can move on to putting the potting soil into our paper, and we're able to plant our seeds.
Toilet paper tubes!
Let's get our toilet paper tubes ready. So firstly, what we want to do is choose one end of our toilet paper tube, and we're going to be making 4 1-inch deep cuts across from each other. Kind of like if you're looking at a compass, we're going to be making our cuts north, south, east, and west. Let's start the folding process. So what you want to do is we're going to start with one of the 4 flaps. We're going to fold the first one, then we're going to fold the second one over the first one. The third is going to be folded over the second, and the fourth is going to be folded over the third. But we're also going to tuck the fourth under the first so that we can create a seal.
You are now ready to fill with potting soil and sow. Egg cartons!
What we're going to be using here are cardboard egg cartons. With our egg cartons, they normally have a little flap in the front. With this little flap, you'd want to cut it out. Then we're going to cut the egg carton, separating the base from the cover. Once the base and the cover are separated, we take the base and we put it in the cover just to measure it out. If we want to use this egg carton to make multiple seed trays,
Fill the cells with potting soil, pressing down with your fingers, then they're ready to sow. Due to their smaller size, some plants may outgrow the egg cartons quickly, so it's best to use them for plants that will be planted out soon after sowing them. When it's time to plant your seedlings, just dig a large enough hole into the prepared ground and plant the pot as it is. There is no need to peel the newspaper off, since the pot will biodegrade in a matter of weeks. Cardboard rolls are slower to break down than newspaper. Roots will find their way out of the pot, but if you prefer, you can peel off the cardboard before planting, which is easy to do when the cardboard is wet.
Using cardboard egg cartons for seeding and sowing is pretty easy. We want to have our egg cartons soaked, so we can make a small hole in the bottom for the roots to grow. Then we would dig a hole in the ground. We put everything in because the egg carton is biodegradable. If you'd like, you can draw your plants as they grow, checking on their different growth stages, and you'll probably be really surprised. Thanks for learning with us. Bye.
Bye.